Yeah, I was looking at my investment portfolio, and it goes up and then it's back down and up and down.
I've been telling you, you really gotta diversify your investments.
Yeah, well, I don't know if I want to do the stock market thing because it's up and then it goes back down and then
Oh my god! A bird has hit the window!
Someone get Dr. Birdhouse!
Hello, Bird Hospital? Get me Dr. Birdhouse. We've got a bird emergency.
Damn it, Dr. Birdhouse! You're the only reason we have a diagnostics department in this hospital.
I know.
Go out there and solve some goddamn cases.
I will. What appears to be the problem?
We got a bird that ran into the window here. We're looking at concussion, broken beak, potential internal bleeding. Looks pretty serious.
Looks more like avian flu to me.
Doctor, respectfully, this bird flew into the window. We got a call, and we got some running into the window sort of symptoms here.
Are you questioning me? You're a bird nurse, not a bird doctor, okay? So I need you to get in your place.
Okay.
Doctor, this bird's got worms.
Another one? It's too early for this. What do we have here?
I think this penguin ate some bad salmon.
Looks like salmonella. I would recommend some penguincillin.
I'll be right back. Doctor, this chicken has massive internal bleeding and a lot of trauma to its chest and neck.
Oh my goodness, what happened?
I'm afraid it was hit by a car.
I've always wondered what possesses a chicken to cross the road.
Fuck, not again.
Oh, Bert, quick! There's a chicken giving birth in room 216.
Let's get cracking.
We think this bird tried to commit suicide.
How do you know it's suicide?
No signs of foul play.
So, Dr. House, what's the word?
Bird.
What?
You can call me Bird instead of Dr. House.
Doctor, quick! There's a murder in the emergency room.
Jesus Christ, how many crows are we dealing with?
Hey, Bird, I got the test results. It looks like we did have some internal bleeding, as evidenced by the 4.5 X-rays that I did. So why don't I go ahead and show you the results here?
Okay,
they
yeah.
look pretty conclusive to me.
Oh, okay,
Yeah, here. This is the first X-ray. Second one here.
wait. Can you zoom in a bit?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, enhance.
Yeah.
Enhance. Zoom in again. Can you enhance it a little more?
Yeah, how's that?
Okay, that's something. Yeah, so as I originally suspected, it must be chickenpox.
Huh.
So I'd like you to give it a full bird examination.
You got it. Okay. Can't only chickens get chicken pox?
What kind of bird is it?
Come on.
Yeah, I got a question about the birds and the bees.
Oh, yeah, okay, shoot.
Yeah, how much bird adrenaline do you typically administer to a bird after a bee sting?
About 50 cc's.
Hey man, there's a hot chick with some great tits in room 216.
What are the details?
A couple of great tits brought in this baby chicken. Hottest fever I've ever seen.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So I ran the full bird exam. Bad news, it's not chicken pox. But the good news is I did find out what kind of bird it is.
Oh, great. What kind of bird is it?
It's